When Samsung teases a new Ultra model, the tech world holds its breath. And now, with persistent leaks and tantalizing concept renders emerging, one device stands at the center of speculation: the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Some enthusiasts are already calling it an iPhone 17 killer. A bold moniker, but perhaps not unfounded, given what the rumors suggest. Over the past few months, rumors, leaks, and insider whispers have coalesced into a narrative. The S26 Ultra might not just be an iterative upgrade, but a radical departure from past models. It may reset expectations for what a Samsung flagship can do and how it should look. In this deep dive, we'll peel back the layers, examining rumored specs, potential design philosophy, camera innovations, performance expectations, and how the Galaxy S26 Ultra might stack up against the looming iPhone 17 series. One of the most striking rumors is that the Galaxy S26 Ultra could come in at under 8mm thick, a dramatic slimming compared to prior models. A leaker known as Universe Ice, who has a track record of credible leaks, claims that while the iPhone 17 Pro Max may measure around 8.76mm thick, the Samsung contender will drop below 8mm. That's an audacious leap for a smartphone carrying high-end camera hardware, large battery, and premium internals. For context, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max were nearly identical in thickness, 8.2mm versus 8.3mm. If Samsung truly reduces thickness while Apple trends thicker, the two brands could be diverging in design philosophy. That said, other leaks hedge this claim. Some sources suggest the S26 Ultra may instead land around 8.1mm thickness. Either way, a slight shrink versus prior models seems plausible. A slimmer phone has obvious aesthetic appeal, but it also raises engineering challenges. Heat dissipation, structural rigidity, and battery capacity become harder to manage in thin shells. Alongside the slimmer profile, rumors hint at a more noticeable weight disparity versus the iPhone 17 lineup. But no concrete numbers have been offered. If Samsung can keep components lighter, perhaps via new alloys, improved internal layout, or thinner materials, then it may achieve a better weight-to-feature balance. Premium materials could play a larger role in the S26 Ultra. For instance, titanium or improved aluminum frames for increased stiffness at lower thickness. Advanced ceramic or composite glass backs that offer durability without adding bulk. Optimized internal layout, stacked PCBs, space-saving antenna design, to shave off weight internally. If Samsung nails this balance, the S26 Ultra could feel surprisingly nimble in the hand. Despite packing flagship-level internals, rumors suggest the 6.9-inch display may persist, but with thinner bezels to reduce the overall footprint. The edge-to-edge experience may be more immersive, with subtle curvature or near-zero borders. Curiously, the number and arrangement of camera modules are rumored to remain mostly unchanged, but absent will be the giant camera rings seen on the S25 Ultra. Instead, we may see more seamless integration, flatter, flush lenses or smaller protrusions, giving a cleaner rear look. Rumors also claim a 200MP main sensor will remain, though improved under the hood. More on that later. The telephoto, ultra-wide, and other sensors reportedly follow similar layouts to current models, meaning Samsung may focus on internal refinement rather than radical camera reconfiguration. One widely circulated rumor states that the S26 Ultra will adopt the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 platform. This aligns with Samsung's past pattern of using top-tier Qualcomm silicon or similarly powerful in-house chips in its Ultra tier. What could this bring? Higher clock speeds and more power efficiency. The Elite 2 is rumored to bring iterative architectural improvements, better thermal handling, and improved energy profiles. AI/NPU enhancements. In 2026, AI-based processing will be even more central. On-device models, camera AI, voice assistants, etc. So a stronger NPU block is crucial. More RAM and bandwidth. Rumors suggest not just upgrades to internal RAM, perhaps toward